Project 2, Document 5. Our first error we would need to fix is president needs to be capitalized. It is the name of a title of a person. Next on the list, it says, please check your schedule for the week of September 5. September needs to be spelled out. 5 does not need a TH. The next error is edition should be addition, because it says to discuss the possible addition of a new satellite office. Now we have Lansing, Michigan, or St. Paul, Minnesota. There needs to be a comma after Michigan. So the next one is, here we have a bulleted list. We have analyze, a verb, read, a verb, review, a verb, we, not a verb. So to make this parallel in construction, you have to get rid of the we would also like you to. Then to start out with, think about strategy for strategical moving forward in these difficult economic times. So the next one after that is the addition of a new office or page nor investments. Investments needs to be capitalized, and it is capitalized. But between investments and would mean significant risk needs to have a small W and take out the period. That way it reads, the addition of a new office or page nor investments would mean significant risk, but it could also mean increased income for our shareholders. Now, after however, it needs a comma, because that's an introductory adverb. Appropriate is misspelled, it needs an extra P. Then we have, I am confident that our growth depends on expanding. It depends with an S. In the last paragraph, if you have any questions for me, it needs to be me because for is a preposition and you need the object of the preposition, objective case me. The last one is, I am eager to discuss this issue. While, there's no reason why while should be there. So just cut it out.